flowers to that. I thought I told y'all little birdies, baby, pimpin' ain't easy. I cut the fro out for the summer, now I'm feeling the breezy. It's easy. Righteous always talking a good game, and mommy like the swagger, so I said it's a hood thing. Got shorty wanna snap it like she rollin' with T-Pain. And for your information, any beef, then we bust brains. Blowin' in your speakers from the hood to the highway. Niggas mad, let them hate. I'ma do it the flyway. And plus I'm on a mission, going straight to the sky, man. I'm high, man. Niggas want a problem, come try me. See, you don't want a problem with a soldier like me. See, we fighting to the finish like a CPD, or getting rotten to the core, leave you dead on the scene. I'm so lean, nothing mean, like a fighting machine. So if a hater gon' hate, gon' let him hate. So if a hater gon' hate, shorty let him hate.
Man, them niggas gon' talk, let them hate. I bet them motherfuckers won't plot, let them hate. Some niggas gon' hate anyways, let them hate. Man, let them hate. Nigga, let them hate. Man, some niggas gon' talk, let them hate. I bet them motherfuckers gon' plot, let them hate. Some niggas gon' hate anyways, let them hate. Man, let them hate. Nigga, let them hate. Yeah, I'm going at him like I got a rocket in my pocket. Yeah, it's just my pistol in my pocket, and I'm about to shoot like a hockey puck. Slap shotting these niggas, cause I really don't give a fuck. Stuck to the G code, that's why a nigga live it up. Stuck in this game, petty ass dope dealing. Murder she wrote, getting money on the low, niggas. My ears to the street, cause niggas do tell. Learn from my bitch mistakes, not to fuck with niggas. I'm bad hearted, yeah, I'ma rump with ya. Cold hearted, yeah, I'ma dump with ya. Big boy, hot slug for ya. Where I'm from, it's like Elliot's Nest, the Wild Wild West door just to Shanghai. Kush got me so high, my young bitch keep me so fly, I'm so nice. My dope game is so bright, my flow is so light, dope in the needle. I try to tell them I'm lethal. Man, them niggas gon' talk, let them hate. I bet them motherfuckers won't plot, let them hate. Some niggas gon' hate anyways, let them hate. Man, let them hate. Nigga, let them hate. Man, some niggas gon' talk, let them hate. I bet them motherfuckers won't plot, let them hate. Some niggas gon' hate anyways, let them hate. Man, let them hate.
Loot me some space and get these haters some good places so they can see us in the light when they hating. And let's go zoo. Got it? Haters gon' hate, but it's simple, fuck you haters. I don't sketch hating with faces twisted and screwed. I gave you haters just enough room to talk shit. Don't make me get rude, snatch you out of the pulpit. Fuck up your little life and expose your bullshit. Idiots. You a motherfucking hater, nigga, deal with your feelings. You don't mix hate with love. Filthy motherfucking haters don't get caught on the bad side. Fucking with your feelings. Haters gon' hate till we under the full moon, and they got no choice but to deal with the zoo. Idiots. You's a motherfucking hater, nigga, deal with your feelings.